Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. And look what we have. It's a Temu haul. So, if you are unfamiliar with Temu, what they are is an online marketplace similar to Amazon, but more affordable prices, a little bit longer shipping times. It does come from overseas, very similar to some other online marketplaces where you can buy affordable items. They have reached out to me so we could collaborate, and they wanted to let me try out some items for you guys, show them what they're all about, and then stay tuned to the end of the video because I have an announcement. But all of the items in this haul will be linked in the description. I will have a code in there. If you search that code, you can find my items, or if you use the links directly, you can find these items as well. And if you do not already use Temu and you download the app with my link, you'll get a $100 coupon collection for items, and the coupons on here are fantastic. Like, you can save some big bucks. I have so much stuff from Temu, but let's show you what's in here. So the first item I wanted to show you, I got these extra long full cover tips. There are 240 pieces, 12 sizes. They're pretty long, but you can cut them down to the size that you want. So I wanted to make sure that there was plenty of length to start with. That way, any desirable length is still possible. If you start off too short, you can't make them longer. Like, for example, if they start out this long but you want it this long, well, that's too bad. But they are full cover, so you just put it on. It covers the whole nail. You don't have to worry about building a nail, making a nail. You can just get straight to painting. So these are really great to have, and they are soft gel, so you can apply them with gel if you choose, or you can apply them with nail glue. Either way is totally fine. I also got this pack of nail art brushes. Let me show them to you. So we have a round brush and a 3D brush, an ombre brush, and a flat brush. And then we've got some liner brushes, 5mm, 7mm, they're super small, 20mm, 15mm, those are long striping brush. And then we've got some mediums, 9 and 11mm. These are essential for hand-drawn nail art. I also got this little case. It is a kit of Manicure Essentials clippers and angled clippers for getting into those tight areas for hangnails, cuticle scissors, tweezers, scrapers, cuticle fork, pusher. These are really important to have. You can keep them in your purse, in your desk, in your nightstand, wherever you would be needing to maintain or touch up your nails. Keeping your nails shapely and from having hangnails and different snags like that is important. Keeping tools like this and using them is really important to the health and beauty of your nails. I also got this little assortment of these flowers. They are super trendy. You see them often in black and white, but I thought this assortment of colors would be nice to have as well. And there are some extra items in here, like this one has little rhinestones, and there's some caviar beads, and this one's got little pearls. This is a great little collection to have just for any kind of nail design that you might want to do a little bit of extra something with. I also got some spider gels, a white one and a gold one. Pretty basic and standard colors, lots of applicable uses. If you don't know what spider gel is, it is also called drawing gel. It's sticky and stringy, and it's used to make like spider web designs, but you can draw other designs with it as well. It is something that takes some practice. There's a learning curve. I actually have a video showing you how to use this, and if I remember, I'll link it in the description below, but otherwise it's definitely just on my channel. But these are really cool, really popular. Definitely, if you have not tried them, you should. Again, everything in this haul is linked in the description, so you can get it yourself. And remember to use my code if you want to try and get some money off. I also got this palette of chrome powders. We've got red, silver, gold, purple, blue, and green. These are also really popular. Chrome is hugely trendy right now, and it is used to make some pretty amazing nail art. Basically, you put it on a no wipe top coat if you're using gel, and you can actually use it on regular polish as well. You just wait for your quick drying top coat to dry, mostly dry enough you can touch it, but not all the way cured. If it's dry enough that it doesn't dent when you poke it anymore, it's too dry and it won't stick. But you can use this and it looks amazing. And then there's this item. This is a little flashlight, but it's a LED curing lamp. So it's really good to have a flash curing option. You can't always get your hand into the big lamp fast enough for whatever you have on here not to get messed up. Like let's say if you have a charm and you don't want it to slide off, you use something like this to quickly just cure it so that it stays in place long enough for you to get it over there. So it's really great to have one of these. And then I have this. This is a dual-ended magnet. There's a variety of magnets out there that you can use with magnetic nail polish, also known as cat eye, but this one is a really great one to have because it can do multiple things. And with that being said, I have this collection of magnetic polishes that I wanted to try out and show you guys. So first, let's have a look at this one. These are from K&R Color. This one is in the color CR02. Ooh, look at that. It is this beautiful, shifty green. I am a fan. That is so pretty. But let's put it on a swatch stick and see what it can do. Now you can use magnetics alone or over other colors. If you put it over a black, it can really help it pop. And also you can wear them alone. Let's say you wanted to stop here, you absolutely could. This one's a bit of a sheer, and I like that because whatever color you put it over won't be lost. I have some magnetics that when you paint over them, you can't see what was under them anymore because their base is already such a strong color. So this is a great option. Let's try the magnet this way. Aha, so that one pushes it apart. If you can see, it has pushed the magnets to the outer edge. Very neat. Next, let's have a look at CR04. So this one is a bit of a red, but it's kind of a brown leaning red. I would say it's almost like a coppery color. And this one very similarly is that sheer formula so that you can put it over other things. Or again, if you just want the transparent look, you can do that as well and just wear it as is. Let's try the other side of this magnet. So let's turn it over and see what that does. Okay. Similar, but it appears to be a little bit less of a gap, or maybe it's the way I was holding it. But that looks pretty. Oh, and look at that over there. I wonder if I scooch it this way. Oh, I touched it. That's gross. Let me spread this back out. Yeah, so let's leave it alone. It just pushes it apart, but it does make a really cool line. I wonder if using the sides of these makes a different effect. Next, look at CR06. All right, this one is like a blue, purple, dark, inky color, but it is in the same formula, same collection, that sheer. But you can build it up really if you want to as well. If you want to do like a cured layer that is like this and not magnetized for the base and then magnetize a second layer, that is also an option. Let's try and turn this around to this end. All right, ooh, this one has done us a swirl that way. Look at that, that's cute. So that's the S, love it. And then we've got a little bit bigger of a bottles. These are the same brand. I don't know why the bottles are different. This one's CR05. Can't hardly read that, but there it is. CR05. Ooh, look at that red. That is so pretty. That's a jewel toned, like garnet red. I like that a lot. This one, it feels thicker and stickier than those other ones. It definitely appears to be more opaque. We're gonna turn this over and try this S side. All right, so this one has also given us that same swirl. It is definitely less sheer when it's magnetized. It didn't push it apart as much. So that's interesting. Next, let's try CR03. Oh, it's gold. How pretty. I love a good gold. And this one has that same thick feeling of that dark red one. And it's, again, the same, more opacity. This time we're gonna try on the end of it. I'm gonna hold it like this and let's see what happens. Oh. it made a line. I guess there's a little indicator. Interesting. Wonder if we do it this way, if it'll turn it. It did turn it a little bit and made it kind of a dot. How crazy. Huh. Let me spread that out again and do it. I'm gonna hold it this way when I come in. Yeah, there's that line. How neat. And then last but not least, CR01. And this one is a blue as well, but a lighter shade of blue. This one's almost a teal. Yes. Same formula. So the small ones are the sheers. The large ones are the ones that are opaque. Very pretty, even on its own. We're going to turn this one around and use this end. Alright, so that one made a line as well. So the ends are the same, it seems like. And then the S's might be similar. And then the other side pushes it apart. But maybe if you use this, it might pull it together. But I guess that's what the end does. Anyway, so we've got at least 3 effects that magnet stick makes. Alright, so let's have a little look back at what we've got. We've got the 3 sheers and then the 3 more opaque ones. And their different magnetic effects. Very cute, very buildable. If you want something settled, just do 1 layer. If you want to really see it pop, do 2 layers. These are so pretty. I like them a lot. Alright, so these are all of the things that I got in this Temu haul. And now, here's the surprise part. I am giving this stuff away. All of these things are basic staple items for any beginner at nail art or beginning a nail journey, a nail kit, who doesn't have a lot of supplies. This is a great place to start. It'll give you a little bit of a few different things so that you can do a few different things, get your feet wet, work your way up to doing bigger things. So here's how we will do this. I am going to put the rules for the giveaway in the description. You have to go read it because I'm not going to go over it here in this video since I haven't decided exactly what the logistics of that are going to be. But I believe I'm going to use a random comment picker. So be prepared to leave a comment and make sure you're subscribed, and then make sure you're also following my socials. All of the links are in the description, as they are always. And if you want to purchase any of these items, those links are there too. My affiliate link is there so that you can go and download and get you the $100 coupons. And then also, if you search my code in the Temu app or on the Temu.com website, it will also bring up my favorite items as well as any discounts available. Great prices, great discounts. If you find something you want and it's not for the price you want right now, put it in your wish list because it'll get a better price. This stuff is always going on sale. If I had to pick some favorite items out of just this kit, I would say the manicure kit is a must-have. I have one of these in my nightstand. I have one of these at my desk. You need to have something like this available to you for whenever you need to do quick repair or maintenance. I would say this flash carrying lamp is also a must-have. It is so applicable. You are just going to find so many situations where this is going to make your life a lot easier. You really do need to have one of these if you're working with gel. And then I would say my third favorite item is this box of nail tips. Not all of us grow beautiful nails on our own, and so it is nice to have an alternative where you can take a nail tip that you like and put it on, and that is your nail shape, and then you can do all the same things on top of that tip that you would have on your natural nail. And if you start out with a long, you can make it shorter. I tend to wear mine on the more short side because I type for work, so I just cut them down. But the longer they are, the more opportunity you have to start with. So this giveaway is probably going to run for about 2 weeks from the date of posting. All of that information, again, will be in the description. Make sure you're checking, make sure you're reading, make sure you're understanding. Definitely do make sure you are liking this video if you like it, and make sure you're subscribed if you like my content and you want to see more. And definitely do leave me a comment because that comment picker may require it, and I'll leave also what that comment should say if there's any keywords down below as well. And thank you for all of your interaction. I definitely appreciate you. All of your interaction helps me, it helps my channel, it helps it grow, and that gives me joy and happiness because I love making these videos, and I hope you love watching them. And that'll be it for this one, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.